Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today, and this is week 8 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. Here are the supplies. We've got Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper that measures 8.5 by 3 inches, and then we've got some black foil and some Whisper White. Okay, so we're going to start out with the Simply Scored scoring tool, and we're going to score this Designer Series paper. I'm going to place it here on the 8.5 inch side, and I'm going to score it at 1/2 inch, 3 3/4, 4 3/4, and 8. And I do make these every single year. If you go over to my website, you can see all the years that I've made these. They will hold just a snack size bag of candy, M&M's, Sweet Tarts, Reese's Pieces, Gushers, just this Halloween snack size. So if you go over to my website, you'll see lots of years. I think last year I might have used the stapler to hold this closed. This year I'm using our galvanized clips. They are in the, are they in the holiday catalog? I'm not sure. I'll make sure that the item number is on the screen. So if it's just like that, I'm going to bring the top up, and then you can either place the clip with that piece on the front or the back. I added it to the front, but you can do it however you'd like. And then the glittered, black glittered ribbon. You guys have already seen me use this a ton. It has been several days since I've done a video, so I apologize. And let me start over. The cauldron framelits are no longer on back order, so you can get those in. You can order those again. So they were never actually on a stop sale, but anyway, yeah. So now I'm going to take a glue dot, and I almost trimmed the ribbon too short. I like to leave it a little bit long for this project. Okay, so now we're using, let's see, what stamp set? Take Out Treats, this image right here. I have used this already for Halloween, and I'm using the Gorgeous Grape Stampin' Write marker and the Basic Black. And I'm going to take the wide tip and color Treats with the Gorgeous Grape. And then this one, of course, I use Lemon Lime Twist. And now I'm going to take the Basic Black and brush that on, and then breathe on it and stamp. And hopefully I gave myself enough room to cut this out. If I didn't, we'll have to stamp it again. You know what? Let's stamp it again, because I'm not real sure that I left myself enough room to cut it out with the framelit. You could use the 2-inch circle punch if you want to. I chose to use the stitch shaped framelits because it just gives it a little bit more character, but you don't have to. Okay, so again, this is the framelit that I'm going to use, so I'm going to get the Big Shot real quick. Okay, so here's the Big Shot, magnetic platform and a cutting pad, and then we'll place this up here and cut it out. I love that stitched line around the circle. Okay, so here's this. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so we're going to turn it over, add some snail to it. We're going to take the Starburst punch and cut out the black foil. And then, actually, you know what? I don't want snail. I messed up on that one, so rewind. I actually want dimensionals. This is my sample, and I'm going to put a third one on there just so that that middle don't collapse. I got myself mixed up. It's the other piece that we're going to put regular adhesive on, this one. So watch this. So this one goes here, just like that. And then this one goes on here, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to take my paper piercer, these glitter enamel dots, and I'm going to add a larger one over here and a smaller one over here, and then a medium one up here. Okay, so here they are. I'm going to have to fix that ribbon. Aren't they cute? Really easy to make. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.